Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Nurul, amira, atiqah, binti karim. My metric number is 249655. And now currently I am studying Bachelor of Communication Universiti Utara Malaysia. And now I at Jason Bay. I come here to do my assignment for subject SPLE. Okay. For your information, Teluk Mahkota formerly known as a Jason Bay or Jason's Bay. Is a 12 kilometer long bay facing a South China Sea. Incidentally, is Johor. We visited it on the same day that we visited Tanjung Sedili and Sedili Besar village, which are to be north of the bay. See my story entitled Sedili is Johor, published on 3rd February 2030. Okay. To it sought the Sedili Kecil river and the village of the Sedili Kecil. On the day our visit, there were a few pinnacles, but no swimmers. Okay. It was because it was April and the season for northeast monsoon. The wind of a wave were expected to be strong. Thought it did not look so that day, and it would be unsafe to swim. You can see the ombak apa? Kat. Ombak apa?
Yang mana?
Yes sir. Ombak apa? And you can see the wave are very strong that at the Jason Bay. Okay. Thought the beach did not look very clean. You can see that the rubbish very banyak. Very many at the beach. The place was not entirely without charm, and it was quite pleasant to sit under the tree, watch the wave come in, and could be cool by the sea breeze, which was quite strong that day. Okay. If one fancies staying overnight, there is always the option of camping or staying in one of the chalets belonging to the resort nearby. Okay, it wasn't very impressed by the resort. Though as a look quite run down, and there were cows roaming on its ground. For my experience, when I secondary, I and my classmates and schoolmates was have a camping at here to survive to Other than that, the weather is not good, but uh, it's after heavy raining, so I I will come back home. I hope when I back to home, as I research the net as a part of the preparation to write this story, I came across a web page that was promoting the development of Teluk Mahkota as a tourist destination. It said that Teluk Mahkota is probably the nicest in this suburb. Natural great in Peninsular Malaysia, and that it has a tremendous coastal tourism potential. That there is not a hint of tourist development here. These people may be right. Going by what I had seen that they spruce up the beach with a well-maintained hotel here with a full facilities and with the right publicity. Other than that, the potential may indeed the Deremos in addition to the usual seaside and beach activity. I had also read that the strong constant wind and favorable waves make it ideal spot to wind surfing. Alright, that I hope I will be anticipation to see what will happen to Teluk Mahkota in the few of years. Thank you.
And hi, my name is hafeeqah binti Rusman. Currently, I'm studying Bachelor of Communication, University of Malaysia. Today, I want to show you guys about Bukit Layang at Pasir Gudang, Johor. Let's see. We are heading to Bukit Layang, so I hope this won't take a long of time. For our ride from Terminal 1 Seremban, we arrived at Bukit Layang, Pasir Gudang, Johor. Bukit Layang is an open field exposed to the strong seasonal monsoon wind, which makes it perfect for the kite festival. That's why we are doing kite festival at Bukit Layang. There's an international festival every year we are doing on February. Every February every year we had international kite festival at here. There's a lot of countries joining it. For example, Korean, Japan, and others. Usually they take a few days to come here, and they will stay at hotel near with here. 2011, the festival intend to make its mark on Malaysian Book of Record by flying the most number of kite stimulation. Also, the organizer gathered several thousand school children together on the field to attempt to fly 3,000 kites at once. Festival, there will have a lot of things that sold here. For example, kites, food. They show Malaysian food they sold here. Malaysian food like nasi lemak always got attention by others people. Here, Majlis Pemandangan Pasir Gudang makes development on this place to make this place recognized by others people. And on Friday and Saturday, a lot of people will sit near with here, come to here to jogging, exercise, because this is one of the most biggest place to do some exercise. It's one of the signboard at Layang. Now I will show you guys one of the beautiful place at Bukit Layang that's only have at Bukit Layang. About International Kite Festival, this is one of the item that Majlis Pemandangan Pasir Gudang create to attract attention from residential at here. Now at lake, people can jog, walking, fishing and running at here. But you didn't allow to cycling or swimming at here. You want to see how down this lake is up? That's why you didn't allow to swimming and cycling at here, because that is very dangerous thing. So didn't allow to throw any rubbish at here, because MPPG also already provide dustbin to throw your any rubbish at them. So be careful with every single thing you do. From here, you will see Menara Aqabah, which is this important place at Pasir Gudang. And beside that, you can see Johor Port, and this you will see one of the school at Pasir Gudang. There's a Pasir Gudang one school. Usually, I take a walk with my family at here every weekend. Sometimes we have a camping at here. We use a tent to. With Bukit Layang, you can see mosque and clinic. Nurul government clinic is near with here. Now I'm going to ask one of the local people why she always come here and what can she tell a little bit about Bukit Layang. Let's see. Hello, Miss.
Hello, good evening.
May I ask you something?
Sure.
What do you think about Bukit Layang?
I think Bukit Layang is such a family place because at the weekday they can have a lot of activity at the weekend or weekday.
Can you tell why you always come here?
I come here to jogging, or sometimes I can picnic at the field. If you can see, that was a lot of tree that can provide us oxygen. You know about the oxygen, carbon
Oh, I
dioxide.
see. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Miss, for spending your time for me.
Okay, you're welcome.
Now I'm heading at playground, which most people attract with. Okay, there's a lot of people there.
Children.
It's one of the playground that MPPG provide to citizens. You will see a lot of things at here. And there is museum layang-layang. Though the international kite festival already end, but there's a lot of seller is selling a kite because the kite is really famous at here.